Good morning, class 5th. Today we summarize our chapter, means our chapter is complete and just only two topics are left. We just discuss it. In our chapter, what we study regarding the water. Different activities with the water means the objects or the items which the things are dissolved in water, which are not dissolved in water. For example, which is dissolved in like salt, sugar, these things are dissolved in water, turmeric powder and others like jaggery you means good. These things are dissolved in water, and which are not dissolved in water, that sand, chalk powder and so on. You have an exercise in your book, just do it. Which things are dissolved, put a right one, and not dissolved, put a cross one. Understood? It's a very simple exercise. Now something more about the water, that which the objects or the item, food products or the anything that is drowned in water, or you can say the sink in water, and which of the things are float in water. The things which are drowned in water, that are cell phones, computer, mobiles, and you have many things like the safety pins, the baby pins, and these so on. And another thing is that which are not dissolved, not drowned in water means float on water. Those are that wood, plastic bottle cans, and these things are. You have the straws, ducks, the water जो swim in water होती है, they are not float in water, they are not sorry, the sink in water, they are floats on water. Understood? Now, and some more things. First they are float in water, then it's drowned in water. Some things like this. For example, you have एक हम कोई मग डालते हैं, नॉट द प्लास्टिक वन, एक स्टील का सपोज डाला. पहले क्या होता है, वो जब तक उसमें पानी नहीं भरता ना, वो उसमें रहता है. देन जैसे ही वाटर भर जाता है, इट इज़ फ्लोट इन वाटर. आप इस तरह का एक्सपेरिमेंट डू इट इन योर बकेट ऑफ वाटर. घर में बकेट ऑफ वाटर में ऐसा करके देखना. इट इज़ नाउ सम मोर थिंग्स regarding this. The one object is not the object, the products, food items, that oil, it is not dissolved in water, it floats on water. Water में ऊपर float करता है. Understood? Now, and some other things, that which of the quantity, मतलब which of the products they are taken into the liters form, and which are in the kilogram or the gram form. Means you can say that the solid products or the massive objects, we take it into the kilograms, grams form, and the liquid objects we take it into the liters or milliliters form. Understood? Like liquid like milk, water, oil, and so on. The or massive solid objects, you know that any fruits, vegetables, or some gravels, pebbles, and so on, these things. Cement, or also we can say anything. Then another thing which we study in this chapter, that the different you have the things, they are divided into different groups according to their characteristic, like this taste, shape, taste, color, and the sound, etc. Many characteristics are there. According to shape, you have this shape of the bottle, that this is the rectangle, cylinder, and so on, the different shapes. For the taste, it is sweet taste, bitter taste, and salty taste, and this so on. One thing is, first I just complete this one. Taste according. Now colors, you know that red, pink, yellow, and so on. Now for the sound, that for example, a bird, the cuckoo or the manna, it's have the beautiful, or you can say the melodious sound, and then crow, some other bird. This is all about the sound. And something more. Now yes, one thing is also regarding the water, regarding the hot water and the cold water. किसमें कोई भी चीज़ हमारी जल्दी डिज़ोल्व हो जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द सॉल्ट, or you can say the sugar is easily dissolved in hot water than in cold water, because the molecules of the hot water move faster than of cold water. Understood? This is what. Now after completion of this, just something know about the what is the bar graph and what is pie chart. Regarding bar graph जो हमारा बनता है, it is in the forms of bars. You have a rectangle forms. And the pie chart इस तरह से percentage, तो percentage ही बतानी है, it is in the circle form, pie form. Understood? Now first we discuss about the bar graph. You have a question in your book, page number 105. That's the consumption of the water by the family 20 years back and at present. Means water consumption है बताना है present का और 20 years back का. According to the bar graph means on the bar graph and on the pie chart. Now the consumption as follow. Consumption अब वो किस किस में consume करते हैं, consumption किस किस में होता है, cooking and drinking purposes, daily use purpose, for the animals and some other purposes, whatever the other purposes are. Now for the cooking and drinking purposes, this is for empty, it is for the 20 years back, and the blocks is for the present condition. In your book it is for the yellow color and this is for the blue color. Understood? Now for the yellow color 20 years back, like this is empty bar, this bar that is of 30%. The 30% is for 20 years back and 40% is for present situation. Understood? Now the next one for the daily use, it is 40% for the this present condition, and this empty it is for the, that is 20 years back, that is only 10%. You have now for the animals it is 40% for 20 years back, and this much 20% is for present condition. Same for the other purposes, it is for 20% for the 20 years back, and blocks, and this is only for, this is 10% for the present situation. Now for the pie chart में 20 years back की condition and the present condition. The circle we draw now, जितनी percentage लिखी है उस according we are making 30% for the, that's for the pie chart. This is this one, this is for 30% for the cooking and drinking purposes. Now then here it is for this, for other purposes it is the 10% it is given in your book. See, for the 10% for other purposes, and then it is for the animals it is 40%, and the daily use it is this daily, for the daily use it is 20%. This is for the 20 years back condition. Percentage is the same, वो जो पूरा एक बना हुआ है चार्ट आपका उसी में ही है, उसी से ही हमने इसको discriminate means अलग अलग blocks बनाए हैं. Now for the present condition pie chart, that for the cooking and drinking purposes it is 40%, and the 10% is for both the other purposes and the this one for animals. See, for the animals and the other purposes this is 10% and 10%, and 40% is for daily use. Understood? Is this way we just made the pie chart for the 20 years back condition and the present condition, and this is for the bar graph. Understood? Your whole chapter is complete. Try to do the question answers by yourself, and we just give the question answers in the form of notes. Do the question answers from the notes in your copy. Understood all? Thank you. Have a nice day.